Starting a mobile detailing business can be one of the most exciting opportunities available today. But for most people, it starts with a simple question: what equipment should I buy? And more importantly, how should I build my setup? That's exactly why we created MaRoseDetailingSetupPro.com. MaRose Detailing Setup Pro is a complete resource designed to help detailers build smarter, work more efficiently, and avoid costly equipment mistakes. Whether you're starting your first detailing business, upgrading your current setup, or building your dream mobile detailing platform, this website was built for you. Our goal is simple: share real-world experience, real equipment recommendations, and real mobile detailing builds. Inside the website, you'll discover the 4 best mobile detailing setups based on budget, workflow, and business goals. The SUV Mobile Detailing Setup. Perfect for beginners looking to start with a vehicle they already own. The Ford Transit or ProMaster build. Professional organization. Professional workflow. Professional results. The 6x10 enclosed trailer build. A dedicated workspace designed for growth and efficiency. And finally, the premium cargo van. Built for full-time operators who demand maximum productivity. Using the website is simple. Browse detailed setup guides. Explore equipment recommendations. Compare products. View build photos. And learn exactly why each piece of equipment was selected. Every recommendation is based on real experience. Products that have been purchased, researched, installed, tested, or integrated into actual mobile detailing builds. No guesswork, no random product list, just practical information that helps you make confident decisions. Over the years, we've had customers from across the country reach out through Facebook Marketplace asking for help with their detailing setup. Many ask the same question: what equipment should I buy? Today, MaRose Detailing Setup Pro helps answer that question. Customers tell us the setup guide saved them hours of research, help them understand their options, and give them the confidence to start building. Because when you understand the equipment, you can focus on growing your business. Whether you're just getting started or upgrading to your ultimate mobile detailing setup, MaRose Detailing Setup Pro is here to help. Visit MaRoseDetailingSetupPro.com. Explore real build, real installs, and real experience. Start with what you can afford. Your first customer pays for your first upgrade, and your next upgrade helps you build the business you've always wanted. MaRose Detailing Setup Pro. Real builds, real installs, real experience.
It's a professional way to do it. Everything is just in the right spot. You don't need to carry the vacuum. You don't need to carry out the generator. The power hose, everything is there, hooked up. You have a 100-gallon tank, right? So it makes your job so quick. You don't have where you put your spray bottle. Spray bottles goes here. So it's just a quick thing, How from beautiful, people have this beautiful life. Everything just look good. That's a professional way. Come to my Rose Mobile Detailing. We hook you up, give you a good price. Thank you.